Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can create flower bouquet TikTok trend. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, we need to open our TikTok application. And after this TikTok application opened, we can search for a folder language effect. Just click on the search button on the top right, and then you have to search flowers language folder or flowers language effect. Right, and there will be some options for you, and you can choose the effect or the folder that you like. I'm just going to select this one, and we can click on use this effect. Okay, and you can type in anything you want guys. For example, you can type your name, and here I'm just going to type this one. Okay, then once we're done typing something with this effect, we can click on OK, and then you can choose the ribbon for your flower bouquet. I'm just going to select this ribbon, and then I'm going to select photo right here, and we can click on OK. All right, and I'm going to tap on my name to change the background, and I'm gonna go with this purple background. Then we just need to post this photo or this flower bouquet to our TikTok if you want. Just click on this icon, and then if you don't want to post it to your followers, you can change the post visibility. And here I have set my post video visibility just for me. Only me can view this post. And then I'm just going to post this photo. I'm gonna click on post to save without watermark. Okay, and I'm just going to check it on my profile. Wait guys, and then I'm going to save it to my device. Just save as image. Okay, and now the photo has been saved, and I'm going to check it in my gallery. Okay, this is the flower bouquet photo we have just created using TikTok folder. Alright guys, and that's how we can create flower bouquet TikTok trend. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.